What's up everyone, welcome back to the KSE channel. So today we're going to be doing a quick unbalanced test with the Kuppet portable wash machine. We got the camera on one side to show the internal view of how the suspension system works. You can see moving the thing around. I got a soaking wet towel here, and I'm just going to put it to one side, and then we'll adjust it slightly, and we'll see how it handles it. So I'll put it to one side, just like that. And move this tripod over a little bit. All right, let's start it. Wow. I'm not going to open the lid because I want to see how it slows down. All right, I think it's safe to say that it passed the test. It actually worked pretty well. You can see we put it to one side. It's kind of, you can see it's all to one side here. It's all spun dry. So yeah, that worked. So hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. Hope I already said hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, share as always, and we'll see you guys in the next one.